Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove Apple Watch band. So if you have an Apple Watch and I want to remove the Apple Watch band, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove your Apple Watch band, all you need to do is go to the back of the Apple Watch like this. And at the back of the Apple Watch, there are two buttons here, one for each of the Apple Watch bands. Now, to remove the Apple Watch band, what you need to do is you want to press or pin the button on the Apple Watch band here. So use one of your fingers, then press or put the lock, and then drag out the Apple Watch band. You see that? Then repeat the same thing on the second Apple Watch band. Press the lock, and then drag it out. And now you have your Apple Watch like this, and then the Apple Watch band. You see that? So that's exactly how to remove Apple Watch band. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.